friends, this question asked in GATE 2015 in 2 marks, okay, in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. An IP router with a maximum transmission unit MTU is this 1500 bytes. This is a maximum transmission unit of a router, means it can transmit 1500 bytes, okay, at a time. Has received an IP packet of size this is a packet size 4404 bytes, okay, with an IP header of length 20 bytes. IP header length is what? 20 bytes, okay. In maximum transmission unit, this 20 byte is also included, okay. So how many bytes of data we can transmit? 1480 in one fragment, okay. The values of the relevant fields in the header of the third IP fragment generated by the router for this packet are, so what is the first fragment? As I told you, in this maximum transmission unit, this 20 byte of IP header also included. So how many data we can transmit in first fragment? Only 1480, as we know that the router can transmit only 1500 bytes, okay. So what is the fragment offset of this? So what is the fragment offset? So to calculate the fragment offset, we have a formula is what? Fragmented data size 1480 divided by 8. How much we will get? 185. Means B provides the fragment 0 to 184. Okay, fragment offset 0 to 184 for the first fragment. What is the second fragment? Also contains what? 20 IP header and data length is what? 1840, okay. And what is the fragment sequence numbers? Again 185. So what? 185 to 369. 185 to 369, okay. And the remaining data is what? How? 1480 into 2, 0, 6, 1, 8, 9 and 2, 2960, and total packet size is what? 4404. 2960 we transmitted, okay. So 4, 10 minus 6, 4, okay. 13 minus 9, how much? 4, okay. 3 minus 2, 1, okay. This much is remaining, so we need to transmit this into third fragment, okay. So what is the third fragment? Third fragment contains 20 header IP header, and the data is what? Datagram is what? 1444, and the fragment offset for the third fragment started from where? 372 and so on, okay. So you can clearly see that this is the last fragment of this IP packet size 4404. This is the last fragment, okay. No need to further fragment this IP packet, okay. So MF bit is what? When the MF bit is 0, then no fragmentation is required. When MF bit is 1, then router will understand more fragmentation is required. So this is the last fragment, means MF bit is what? MF bit is 0. So if you will go through the options, then we are getting what? MF bit is 0. So option B and C is eliminated from here, okay. You can eliminate from here. So remaining options is what? A and D, in which MF bit is 0, okay. And option D you can eliminate, because here you are getting what? Offset 2960, and we are getting what? 370. We are getting what? Fragment offset is what? 370. Yes, offset is 370. MF bit is just 0, and datagram length is also, you can see from here, 1444. So which option is correct? Option A is correct. Okay. You can see the solution. Okay, MTU was 1500 bytes, header length is 20 bytes, packet size is this. First fragment contain 1480 data size plus 20 IP header size. Again second is also like this, and third remaining data plus 20 IP header. Datagram length for the third IP fragment is 0, and this is the last fragment. No more fragment is required. So MF bit is what, 0, and offset is what, 370. So you need to calculate as I told you. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.